This Valentine's Day, we would like to acknowledge IT employees. Thank you for tirelessly working to protect your organization from outages and security breaches.
For assisting the day-to-day users with application issues and helping to ensure the success of other departments within your organization. Thank you for working with companies like Cherwell to ensure that your company has the appropriate processes in place to resolve issues swiftly.
Finally, thank you for working countless days and nights to ensure that your organization could seamlessly switch to remote work model during one of the most rapidly changing, complex times in our world's history.
Thank you for being a part of our success. We appreciate you.
Would you accept this rose?